I can't believe I managed to get away.
His footprints are irregular. Anxiety is probably increasing his fatigue.
Oops. Sorry. I was supposed to be the guy who didn't want to get involved. What you had expected, am I? Like our footprints.
Why, he's just a kid. I can't believe we got caught by this.
Yeah, if you want to call it by that old name. But I'm afraid you're behind the times. Oh no, my chakra's still depleted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a minute. 8?
No, there's one more. That's 9 ninja following us.
Of course. The 9th one's role is to protect against an ambush. That person stays a distance behind the others. But I know what to do, and reveal where he's hiding. The shadow won't reach. I don't have enough stamina to use my chakra to make it go that far.
It's futile, kid. I see through your technique.
So this is it.
It looks like you're at your limit. This shadow possession jutsu of yours is going to fail soon.
Shikamaru, survive and catch up to us no matter what!
It appears I'm at my limit.
Hey! Come on out!
You did well, Shikamaru.
Yeah, but it was way too much work.